Are you planning to conduct HSE observation or workplace inspection, but not sure from where to begin or what to look for or how to document it all? Are you worried about missing any crucial hazard or how to face those angry stares from the workers or supervisors? Don't worry, friends. In this video, I will let you know 8 simple steps which you can follow for your next HSC observation or safety inspection and make it more impactful as well as interesting. And there is more for you. At the end of the video, I will also share some bonus tips. So stay with me and watch the full video. Hello everyone, my name is Brijesh Kumar and welcome to your learning channel partner HSC Universe. Number 1, preparation is key. Preparation is very important for any task. Imagine you are going for a long trip with your family but not sure of the way or the road leading to it, the weather condition of the area, any potential hurdle on the way, etc. Is your long trip going to be smooth? Of course not. Same goes for safety inspections or observations tour. Therefore, before starting it, understand your workplace, its processes, and potential risk. Prepare a checklist or a tool that cover these aspects of safety, health, and environment you want to observe and inspect at your workplace. Number 2, get trained if required. If you're not sure or confused about the technical terms used in the checklist or different observation techniques or hazard identification process or reporting process, don't hesitate to ask for help. Talk to your HSC department or whoever is the leading HSC aspect in your work area and ask for the training on this topic. Number 3, choose your focus. If this is your first observation or you do not want to cover the big area, don't worry. Start with small, well-defined areas or tasks or processes and practice it. The more you do the observation, the more you engage yourself in the process, you will get better over the time. Then gradually expand your scope or work area as you gain confidence in this process. Number 4, be observant. Observe or inspect the work environment and the work practices for any hazard and risk. Look for anything that seems out of place, unsafe, or could potentially cause harm. Engage or use all your senses for this task. Not sure how to do it? Let's understand with an example. Look, scan the environment for physical hazards like trip hazard, exposed electrical wires, or unsafe work practices. Listen, pay attention to loud noises, alarms, or any unusual sound that might indicate a problem. Smell, be alert for any chemical odors that could be harmful. Don't forget to ask questions. Talk to workers about their task, any concern they have, and near misses they have experienced or anything they want to share. There could be one more senses that is touch or feel. However, I would discourage it for general use, as you may end up with some incident like use of touch senses to detect hot surfaces or cold surfaces. If any circumstances you have to use this sense, assess the risk and ensure you don't put yourself or others in danger. However, in some cases it could be useful too, such as checking the surface for roughness. Number 5, engage with your colleagues or work crew. Interact and communicate with your work crew, supervisors, frontline managers, etc., and ask them the question as well as their feedback. Conduct inspection or observations together. discuss your findings with them, and brainstorm the solutions. Number 6, document everything. Don't forget to write down your observations. Take pictures, even record a quick video. This will help you to remember the details and share them with your supervisors or safety team at the later stage. Number 7, share your findings. Report your observations, findings to the appropriate personnel and document the details and result of the inspection. Prioritize it, assign and follow up on the corrective actions and ensure their completions as well as verifications. If you want to know more in detail how to record your findings, watch this video. The link is in the description. Number 8, analyze. Don't forget to analyze the data and the informations from the inspections. Use these findings to identify and evaluate the trends, patterns, and cause of the hazards as well as risk. You may also use the analysis to plan and set the goals and objective for the future inspection as well as improvement. Oh, you stayed till this point? Well done. As promised earlier in the video, here are the bonus tips. Bonus tip number 1, be positive and proactive. Focus on finding solutions, not just pointing out problems. Offer suggestions and solutions for the problem if you can. If not, don't worry, ask the team for the solutions. Observe safe practices too and praise for good work habit. Everyone deserves appreciation for the work they are doing. Remember, you are on the same team working towards a safer workplace. Bonus point number 2, make it fun and engaging. Turn the safety inspection or observation tour into a team effort or a learning experience. For example, you may use quizzes or on the spot reward or even role playing to make inspection more interactive and engaging. Tip number 3, keep it simple. Use clear language and avoid technical jargons or terms which other peoples are not familiar with. Understand the purpose of doing safety inspection. This is for others to understand the observations and take actions and not to show off your technical knowledge. Bonus tip number 4, consistency is the key. Do it regularly and follow up with your team. Regular observation tours are like brushing your teeth. Do them often for an optimal result. So, grab your PPE, checklist, and get ready for a walk. And this walk is not going to be ordinary, it is leading a safe future. Just remember, a safer workplace is a happy workplace, and you, my friend, are the hidden heroes who is going to make it happen. If you want to move forward in this journey and want in depth knowledge on types of and classifications of safety inspections or HSE observations, then my next video will be your stop. So stay tuned and subscribe to this channel for quick update as video gets uploaded. With this, I Brijesh Kumar signing off. Stay safe, stay happy and keep observing.